Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the latest Bgmi build and microphone/speaker permissions enabled. Once done, open the game and go straight to Settings, then Audio. You should see Profiles and Channel Controls. Select the high-fidelity options. If an Ultra preset exists, enable it now to unlock higher bitrate and spatial processing. Make sure your device is not in battery saver, because performance modes can throttle audio quality and prevent Ultra options from appearing. Once Ultra is toggled, fine-tune advanced controls. Set Master and SFX so peaks don't clip, lower one if distortion occurs. Next, enable spatial sound and directional cues to improve localization. This is why Ultra matters. It feeds better positional rendering. Turn on Footstep Boost for clearer enemy movement. Choose the headset or phone speaker output depending on your device, then use the in-game test button to confirm left-right balance and distance. If levels feel off, reduce bass or SFX to restore. To finish, save all audio settings and restart Bgmi so the new audio pipeline initializes. This step ensures Ultra audio loads correctly. Then jump into a custom match or training to verify positional accuracy and volume balance under gameplay conditions. If Ultra doesn't appear, clear the app cache or reinstall the game and confirm your device supports required codecs and performance mode. These are common blockers. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and recheck. Sometimes external audio devices interfere with in-game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.